this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I am doing this video on my Beachy wavy curls, and yeah, these are really pretty. I love to wear this hairstyle all the time, every time. I actually curl my hair a little bit too much. That is probably why my sister always tells me, like, oh, you always curl your hair all the time. And it is true because I love curling my hair. And yeah, so today I'm actually wearing all pink because it's October the 3rd. And you guys know what October 3rd is, right? Yeah, all you Mean Girl lovers, yes. That's my favorite movie. I love that movie so much. So yeah, I'm just wearing all pink because I am celebrating that movie, obviously, and I love it. And yeah, but it's not about makeup today, it's about these curls. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, just keep on watching. Hi guys. So the curling iron that I use is this one by Conair, and it is their U-Curl one, and it's a 1-inch wand. And yeah, this is how it looks like, and you could get this from Walmart. So basically you just turn it on with this button right here, and this is just basically to adjust the temperature, which the temperature is right here. And yeah, I think this is 1 inch, I believe, and I've been having this one for, I think, a long time now. It's been like a couple years, and I just have not replaced it yet, so it's definitely worth the investment. And this is pretty affordable too. I believe it was only like $20 or something like that. So yeah, definitely get yourself one if you haven't. And so yeah, for my hair, I usually section it to 2 sections right here. And what I do is, it's pretty damaged. So I don't know, for some reason I feel like it's just really damaged because I dyed it a lot and I like bleached it once. So it is pretty damaged, but yeah, I don't really mind because for my hair, it's never been the type that was really healthy. It's always been like damaged and whatnot anyways. And my hair grows back really fast. So if I do want to cut it, like, it will eventually grow. So I never really have an issue with that. But yeah. So anyways, so I basically part my hair into two sections. And I just take the back of my hair and I just take a little portion of it, and it doesn't have to be even or anything like that, but I'm just gonna take the wand and wrap it around the barrel like that, and I just leave it on for like a couple of seconds because it's really hot already, and I don't like to leave it on for too long because I don't want it to be too curly. I just want it to have like a perfect wavy kind of look to it. And then I just kind of go down, and then I just kind of repeat the process. Like, I just grab a little inch and then wrap it around the wand, and it's really easy actually. Just wrap it around and just hold on to it for a couple seconds. And then release. You guys can already see the curls that it does. So I just keep repeating that process over. Wrap it around. It's really easy actually. That's why I like using the wand, because it just gives you that perfect look to it, I feel. And you do the same for this side. It's really easy. Oh, I I forgot to tell you guys, if you guys have heat protector spray, make sure that you guys use that for your hair. It's like better and it won't make your hair as damaged. But you know, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Most of the time I don't use it because I don't have any right now. I ran out, and you know, I ain't gonna just go to Walmart to grab a hairspray real fast, you know, if I want to do my hair. So just letting you guys know, if you do have heat protector spray, please use it. The one that I usually use is the Tresemme one, and that one smells really good, and it is really good. So yeah, make sure to do that. Like I said, just wrap it around the wand and keep it on for a couple seconds, you guys. And then after I'm done with curling on my hair, you guys can see the waves are like this. And I just usually see if anything I feel is like not curly enough, then I just basically go back and curl it or whatnot. But yeah, usually everything is pretty much curly to me already. So this is how they look. And what I do for my hair is these curls, I just kind of break them apart. And I just section them a little bit like that. Just section them off a little bit. And then section them. So I'm just breaking them apart so that they could look like they have more hair on them and stuff, whatnot. So yeah. And then once we're done with that, you guys could pretty much see that they just kind of have beachy look to them, and they're really pretty and whatnot. Yeah, my camera, I cannot show you guys the whole view from up there, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, you just kind of split it up like that, and they ended up looking like this. And that was super easy, you guys. You guys could use hairspray to basically spray the curls when you're done and whatnot, if you want to leave them lasting longer or so. But like I said, I like to keep them very natural, and I don't like to use too much products on my hair, so I don't use hairspray that much. But yeah, if you guys do want, you do have the option. And yeah, it lasts me for the whole day. Actually, usually these curls last me the whole day because I don't know, for some reason my hair holds and curls by itself already, and it's really bouncy and really pretty. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick and fast, easy tutorial on how to do my hair and curls. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.